Okay, what we got here is an old-fashioned oven beef stew. And it's really simple because first of all, we're going to turn our oven up to 325 Fahrenheit. And this is a really nice recipe because it cooks for like 3.5 to 4 hours. And we're going to take our potatoes. In this recipe, we're going to use onions and carrots also. We're going to use about 2 pounds of beef, and we're going to dredge it in about 3 tablespoons of flour with salt and pepper. And we're going to prepare our Dutch oven or a large pot. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of butter and about 3.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And after we've dredged our meat, by batches, we're gonna sear the meat. We're gonna get the meat a little brown. And I think the butter really adds like a nice taste to the meat. That kind of like a buttery taste is really nice. And as I said before, we're gonna add the meat by batches, stir it around to make sure it doesn't burn. And you don't have to worry about cooking because we're gonna cook it in the oven for, like I said, 3.5 to 4 hours. And we're gonna add also 1 can of beef broth to this recipe. So as you see here, we got our carrots, tomatoes, and onions all in the pot with the meat. And we're gonna just put it in the oven for 3.5 to 4 hours. And after that, it's just really good eating. And one thing I really like about this recipe is that even the second or maybe the third day of eating it, it tastes better and better. Hope you like this. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Take care.